Hey Tony, I've been thinking about starting an e-commerce business, and I've been researching different platforms and tools. Have you heard of Salehu e-commerce?
Yeah, Roger. Salehu e-commerce is a popular platform that helps online sellers find profitable products from certified, low-cost suppliers. It's a great resource for e-commerce businesses.
That's interesting. I've also come across Laravel e-commerce. Do you know anything about that?
Laravel e-commerce is a customizable, open-source e-commerce platform built on the Laravel PHP framework. It's a good option if you're looking for a flexible solution for your online store.
I see. What about Active e-commerce CMS? I've heard it's a powerful content management system for e-commerce websites.
You're right. Active e-commerce CMS is a comprehensive solution that allows you to manage your products, orders, and customers easily. It's a great choice for businesses that want a user-friendly interface.
I've also been reading about e-commerce SEO. How important is that for my online store?
E-commerce SEO is crucial for driving organic traffic to your website. By optimizing your product listings and website content, you can improve your search engine rankings and attract more potential customers.
I came across a Laravel e-commerce project that uses GA4 e-commerce tracking. What's the benefit of using GA4 for my store?
GA4 e-commerce tracking is the latest version of Google Analytics, specifically designed for e-commerce businesses. It provides valuable insights into customer behavior, helping you make data-driven decisions to improve your store's performance.
I've seen some beautiful online stores built with Webflow e-commerce and Squarespace e-commerce. What are the main differences between these two platforms?
Webflow e-commerce is a visual web design tool that allows you to create custom, responsive online stores without coding. Squarespace e-commerce, on the other hand, is a website builder with a focus on simplicity and ease of use. Both platforms offer beautiful templates and are great for small to medium-sized businesses.
Lastly, I've been considering using Google Ads for e-commerce to drive more traffic to my store. Is it worth the investment?
Google Ads for e-commerce can be an effective way to reach potential customers who are actively searching for products like yours. With the right strategy and budget, it can help you increase your sales and grow your business.
Thanks, Tony. You've given me a lot to think about. Tony, I appreciate all the information you've shared, but I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed with all these options. How do I choose the right platform and tools for my e-commerce business?
I understand how you feel, Roger. It's normal to feel overwhelmed when starting an e-commerce business. The key is to identify your specific needs and priorities. Consider factors like your budget, technical skills, and the level of customization you require.
You're right, Tony. I should focus on what's most important for my business. I want a platform that's easy to use, has great templates, and offers excellent customer support. Which one would you recommend?
Based on your preferences, I'd recommend Squarespace e-commerce. It's known for its user-friendly interface, beautiful templates, and reliable customer support. It's a great choice for beginners who want to create a professional-looking online store without much hassle.
That sounds perfect for me. Thanks for the suggestion, Tony. Now, about e-commerce SEO. I'm not very familiar with it. Do you think I should hire an expert or try to learn it myself?
It depends on your budget and time constraints, Roger. If you have the resources, hiring an expert can save you time and ensure your e-commerce SEO is done correctly. However, if you're on a tight budget or want to learn, there are plenty of resources available online to help you get started.
I think I'll try learning it myself first. I love a good challenge, and it'll be a valuable skill to have. Thanks for the encouragement, Tony.
You're welcome, Roger. I believe in you, and I'm sure you'll do great. Just remember to be patient and consistent in your efforts. E-commerce success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and hard work, you'll achieve your goals.
Thanks for all your help and support, Tony. I'm feeling more confident and excited about starting my e-commerce journey now.
I'm glad I could help, Roger. If you have any more questions or need advice, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always here to help. Good luck with your e-commerce business.